You apply the mask or apply the cream. Bello, it's nice this. It's the first time I see.
I like this, yeah.
Me too, but I don't know. It's the first time. I must come in London to see this. And yeah, in every place I learn something. Yeah, this is life.
Every day you learn
It's
something new.
life.
They managed to
so that's why I think I'm really playful. So
I am like, come si dice buco nero?
black hole.
Black hole, absorb everything. I learn everything. For everyone, meet, I learn something. My son sometimes tell me, I have the babbo è stato not normal.
You have one
Fan.
only one?
Tylko ten? Eryk z 50 tak? Bez niczego
Your oldest son, how old? Your biggest son, how old? You have two sons?
One, only one.
Only one child.
Only one. Yeah.
You're sleeping too much at the night.
I become father very, very late.
Work.
51 years.
Interesting.
In 30, yeah.
He was very busy at work, that means.
So why she didn't go for Mandalik first? If it's the second.
Exactly.
If
It's
the
correct.
second.
Is correct form. If must do normal treatment, we do before Mandelic and after weeks.
Yeah.
This is right.
Okay, so why she's doing
Now we do
Eryk?
everything. We do mesotherapy,
okay.
but it's good. It's correct.
Okay.
Perfect treatment. If you must do and arrive this warm in this condition, you must do Mando complex,
Mando
finish
Ferru,
or Mando
depends on
Ferru,
skin, yeah.
finish,
Yeah.
and you do Eryks.
Weeks, yeah. But I can still do microneedling and Demapan after that as well.
After you can use with exactly. But
And
now we
meso-
do mesotherapy.
So this is RX. Okay.
Together mixed with something else.
Have a problem?
Eryk's 50.
You feel something? No, yeah, this is normal because it a product, in particular succinic, do this effect. Succinic acid increase a lot of energy. If you feel in some minutes feel deep, like revolution, being walking, exactly. This is sensation. Told me.
Very little. Like
Yeah, not discomfort.
So question is for the ladies as well, because she has psoriasis, let's say, yes, so her skin can be more sensitive.
More sensitive.
Yeah, because she has psoriasis. Yes, so that's why we're doing the mando, let's say, for her.
Polysoft.
Polysoft, yeah.
Yeah. Ideal is polysoft. Oh, yeah. Good experience. I think everyone must try itself because if you feel when you have the client, you can speak.
I always like to
You
try.
imagine you massage this like cream, but really it's not cream. It's mission impossible.
But every time when you touch, the body, the skin gets warm. That's why it's really
Yeah. This is wonderful for to do long massage because now I have surprise. After 5 minutes, like mago, come si dice?
Magician
Magician,
or a wizard.
I transform heat in another substance. It's good to come to school, first time. No, really, it's very new. Now I play, but it's happened really with water. After 5-6 minutes, we transform. When you apply the water little, it transforms in emulsion. And you can continue when you want. This moment you are doing big benefit for the skin in general, but in particular for energetic, antioxidant. You imagine this in summer, it's wonderful. No have problem, not give a reaction. And now, okay, you can continue, but now we stop.
Okay.
Movie. Look what happened. Wow, look, it was look. It's when you put good water, what? It's change. It's emulsion now. Very soft emulsion. It's incredible.
So that's clean water there. We can take this one.
And now you can continue long time what you want. But now we try the technique to mix. Huh? We try to mix.
So what you next?
Yes, because you have a problem with Biox, you have problem. Now I use Biox.
Is it with normalize? Is it with normalize?
Yeah, I want try to put Biox with normalize.
Normalize,
It's
yeah.
possible. Where is?
Where is, okay,
Sterile product I need.
sterile product. Everything
It's forever. Because if I come back and you touch, this is nothing what I do. I do more strong again.
So this
Okay,
is the
this is.
this here.
I do mesotherapy, you.
Strong.
Not much choice now.
I changed my mind.
Run, no way back.
For life.
Just run.
I take, for example, 2 ml the skin normal. When we decide the more important. Ooh.
Žinok, viskas bus profesionaliai. Aš viską atsisiu. Jeigu ką, nepergrinkit mergaitės. I will send all. Can't get there.
Colder.
The sign now.
And alive?
Pain?
I bleed. No, not at all.
Really?
No. Am I not normal?
My hand
Have you
is.
had any numbing for the whole
I
night?
have lidocaine. My hand, I have cigarette. I inject this morning lidocaine and transfer lidocaine.
Little, very little. I bleed a lot.
This technique for not feel
No,
nothing.
you don't. No, it's just a tiny
In
amount.
time I elaborate this.
Now it's more painful.
If you enter more quickly than the reaction, nerve not arrive message.
Now arrive.
Now.
Ai,
Now I
jisai
finish.
įkiša ir va taip.
No, they talking.
Taip ir traukia ir palieka liniją.
Okay.
Viskas bus, žinok, video, žinok, po to pažiūrės. It's very superficial.
That is not painful at all. A little bit.
About little.
Yeah.
It has to be.
It's like a fillet thing.
Yeah.
Ribs.
See?
Okay, can you just explain us why it's in this area only? Why here?
Huh?
Why do you inject here?
I want you learn linear. You can do after you can do some part linear, some part papula.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, for example.
So is linear
we-
more like deep?
Yeah, little more. Now we do papula. Look.
Papula is more painful.
Yeah.
Oh. No, I mean
Sorry,
it's okay. No,
I didn't mean to.
No, it's
This
okay.
is papula, no?
But papula more painful.
I can combination.
Okay, who is It's okay. Yeah, I had a model faint.
No way.
Really?
Jesus Christ.
You can do it here, no problem. It's nice to put very fresh water or dye after mask. It will be perfect. You not do mesotherapy?
No.
No, but you can do the same with Dermapen. You use Dermapen?
No.
No.
You don't? But you were on a training with us for Biogel. And you don't do it?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Training together.
Okay, no problem. Now, what do we do? The first one, I apply always. For me, it is
Vaginal
maximum,
fluid?
security. We apply the ozone.
Ozone. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Always.
As if
I
it's just
use
for
always.
disinfection, just a
I'm
prevention
sure.
of disease. Yeah. Okay.
Not
Hold your breath.
audio,
Hold your breath.
audio breath. I think 2 months I stay in London. I speak English like London.
And we speak Italian as well.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Perfecto. Perfecto, you see?
So you always use a spray after mesotherapy?
No, you can put in the bar, but I like to put in this form. But you maybe you want put here and the.
No, I mean, but you always use the spray after mesotherapy.
Oh, I don't understand. Traduci.
Ti ha chiesto se usi lo spray tutte le volte che
Sì,
fai il mesotherapy.
sì.
Always.
Okay.
But also the same. It depends what you prefer. But sometimes, some point, for example, here I like linear.
Yeah. Do you like cannula?
But for meso, this no. For filler, I use a lot of cannula. Because in my implant of stem cell, I inject with cannula. I have a lot of experience with the end of cannula. I prefer. Some point, remember, you do filler? You must remember this regular. In every point you inject, you imagine you do this line.
Yeah.
Okay? In every point you inject in the left of this line, it go effect lifting. In every point you inject in the right of this line, do effect volume.
Okay.
Put this concept in here.
Can you repeat, please?
Once more, can you repeat?
Allora, if you do filler, allora.
We get it.
Okay. When you do filler, the basic general, exist many techniques, up, down, left, right, okay. I no comment, but you do one line here, okay? All you do, all you inject, or you traction, you do, in the left side, in this part, all this part, out, this is line, no?
Yes.
Oh, all you do in this, for example, you inject here, it do effect lifting. Here, you must find the good, exactly point, be dangerous here. But exists the technique, you must do line, you must do line, you must do 1 centimeter, you find the point. You must arrive in periosteo, meaning very deep, and you slowly inject. Here is, in this side of the line, do lifting effect. When you do filler with cannula here, in this area, do lift effect. When you do filler in the other side, because to do filler in all the skin, if you combination filler with regenerative epidermis, it's good to including in this program filler. It's not the first step. It's in the total. Come si dice la gira? Cherry of the cake. And for many cosmetologists, the filler is over. You understand me?
Yeah.
It's a cake. For example,
Reaguoja akys, nes jinai šiandien pasipurškė ir akys iš karto mažiau.
I
tada per tos environo kursus sakau, aš turiu žiauriai jautrią odą ir man atrodo po 2 dienų pradėjau sakyti, kad
Ateik pas mane, aš tau pakeisiu nuomonę apie environą.
Mergaitės, jeigu pažiūrėt, kad protokoluose yra
mes buvom kažką tai nusipirkę, bet man tas kabinimas ant tų kabinimas ant tų stepų, bet visokie yra geresnių produktų negu aš
Kiekvieną savo nuomonę. Žinokit, bet aš paaiškiai asmeniškai su daug didesniu
aš net bandžiau ir tą po truputį
Before to decide what the quantity, you must do in this part fat.
O tai koks procentas buvo to retinolio?
After you have better condition.
stepas, į antrą stepą, tada pabaigia tą buteliuką
It's
perėti.
like
Nes aš, pažiūrėjau,
exactly. Depends what you do. You take a remodello the fat tissue.
Aš pažiūrėti noriu,
It's change the form
per
of face.
savaitę 1-2 kartus, nedaugiau.
But
Ir aš tai pas mus yra step up, tai 1-3. Aš iki šiol, aš jau dabar ten naudoju retinolį 1,5 metų, bet ir sakau, jeigu daugiau negu 2 kartus, pas mane atsiranda reakcija.
This woman, what to do?
Man
Feel it?
asmeniškai pats geriausias brendas, kuris tave gali būti. Žiauriai. Man tik tai trūksta rūgščių.
Completely different
Jūs dirbate
time.
su lazeriais, su jų visiškai kitaip yra, jūs negalite vitamino A. Tai va, čia
Yes, but my birthday, pay too.
Aš 3 mėnesius vaikščiau
But
su
when
tokia
she
baisia
sees
oda.
structural results,
Cistiniai akiniai buvo iš tikrųjų, nes aš labai akinių
they continue to come from me, not
Ir
me.
žinokit, aš jums parodysiu, aš jums sakau, ateik, Sandra, aš
This
tikrai
woman
padarysiu procedūrą ir pasikeisiu nuomonę, žinok apie ją. Iš nerealių rezultatų galima.
Aš dabar tik iš karto tą garsą, tą albimą iš karto.
Ne, nu tai čia yra ne environas, čia yra jūs sonoforezė, tu čia girdė elektrokarą, tai čia yra normalu.
A lot,
Nebūtina tą naudoti.
a lot of money.
Sermų vedinėjimai.
Aš tau parodysiu vieną, va dabar, kuriai darau.